21 wickets, 136-year-old. Nobody noticed. While everyone tracked the orange cap race, a pacer from Meerut quietly climbed to the top of the IPL 2026 bowling charts for Royal Challengers Bengaluru. And the number that makes this stranger, he took his first IPL wicket back in 2009. Bhuvneshwar Kumar is holding the purple cap right now. And if you think T20 cricket was supposed to eat him alive, you're not wrong. The analytics said exactly that. Bhuvneshwar Kumar was born on 5 February 1990 in Meerut, Uttar Pradesh, a city known for wrestlers and hockey players, not swing bowlers. He was never the fastest. He was never going to hit 145 kpr and bully batsmen with pace. His weapon was something harder to coach, the ability to swing the ball both ways, at will, and place it exactly where it needed to go, in conditions that didn't always help him, against batsmen who were specifically trained to destroy swing bowling before it could settle. The IPL was supposed to expose him. Short boundaries, flat tracks, the format built to punish medium pacers who rely on movement. Then he won the purple cap in 2016 and again in 2017. Back to back. In 2016, Sunrisers Hyderabad won their maiden IPL title, and Bhuvneshwar's power play control and death over Yorkers was central to that campaign. The analytics were measuring the wrong thing. Raw pace is replaceable. A perfect Yorker under pressure is not. Here's the part that rewrites what you think you know about T20 bowling. February 2018, Johannesburg. Bhuvneshwar Kumar took 5 wickets in a T20 international against South Africa in South Africa. At that point, only one other Indian bowler had ever taken 5 wickets in a T20I. Yuzvendra Chahal, a leg spinner. A spinner doing it made sense. A swing bowler doing it in Johannesburg was different. It placed Bhuvneshwar in a category of 2. His international career closed with 63 test wickets, 141 ODI wickets, and 90 T20I wickets. 294 international wickets total, across every format, from a man who was never supposed to be the most fearsome in the room. And now, at 36, he is second on the all-time IPL wickets list, still adding to it, one precise delivery at a time. Look, the orange cap race has Vaibhav Suryavanshi, Shubman Gill, Sai Sudarshan, teenagers and 20-somethings with decades ahead of them. The purple cap belongs to a man who debuted in this tournament before some of those batsmen were in secondary school. What IPL 2026 is proving is simple. Swing bowling executed with surgical control does not age the way pace does. The batsmen change. The conditions change. The format evolves. The edge keeps coming. Subscribe if a story like this is what you came here for. 294 international wickets, 2 purple caps, and now a third title race at 36. The boy from Meerut is still finding the edge.